how's it going? It's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. And we have our blue hearts for you today. We do have several variations of this pattern. They are all, I believe, identical, just the single color is different. So we have a purple one, a pink one, and this is our blue version. This is just one of those patterns that just doesn't really display very well on a screen. It's just really hard to see it. There is no silver backing behind this, the blue or the silver. So we're going to demonstrate this on a white base coat and DTP charcoal metallic, just to give you an idea of how base coat colors can change up this pattern, and any pattern for that matter that doesn't have that silver backing. We are using Hydrographics Activator with a 1-minute soak time. Guess I had some air bubbles that I didn't see, but that's okay. It also helps to wear gloves that fit you. These don't fit the greatest. All right, it is definitely still visible on the charcoal metallic. Let me get all that goo off there for you. It needs a good rinse job. But yeah, that is still visible on the charcoal metallic. I think black would probably not look too great. I think that's about as dark as you'd want to go. You can see how the blue kind of fades with that darker base coat. I mean, honestly, it still does pretty well, but it does alter it a little bit. And I think black would be probably a little too much. But there is a quarter for size reference, and this was dammed off pretty tight, so that is pretty accurate sizing. There's all different sizes. You've got anywhere from smaller than a dime to larger than $50. So again, that is a transparent background, and generally speaking, those are pretty forgiving patterns. So, but that one prints nice. That is DTP charcoal metallic, and that's just the ABS white plastic speed shape. Anywho, that should be, I believe that's in the abstract. You can always use our search bar to find these patterns. It will be where all the other heart patterns are, but I do think that's the abstract section. If not, it'll be in the miscellaneous. Anyway, that is at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.